Hey guys, I'm Rosetta. I am an injector here at BeautyFix, and today I'm going to show you how to properly massage your lips after lip filler. It's always important to massage your lips after having lip filler just because you really want to integrate the filler with the tissue. You want it to become part of you. So I like to use makeup as an analogy. So a lot of times we use foundation and we take a beauty blender and blend it into the skin. Same thing with filler. So of course with the proper injection, it's in the correct plane, but we like to make sure that everything is nice and smooth, even out, and it gives you that overall natural feeling. So how do you massage your lips? There really is no wrong way to do it. Typically where I find that patients kind of get confused is the intensity. How hard are they squeezing their lip? You want to kind of grab the lip and making like an M shape. You want to sort of pull away and really get in there and knead. So think about, making bread or a pizza pie, something like that. This isn't the way you would want to kind of pat your kitten's forehead. You really want to be in there and get in there and move it together and feel that blend. You'll be able to feel the filler between your lip and kind of give it that push that it needs to be part of your lip now. So I suggest that most patients do it as often as they can. You can use Vaseline, Aquaphor, and oil. Make sure your hands are clean in there. And I usually say between 5 and 10 minutes. I also always encourage during showering because the heat from the hot water really helps loosen up the muscle and it makes filler more malleable. It makes it easier to move around. So quick recap of everything we just said. After lip filler, you want to make sure that your hands are clean, you're in a clean space, and we're, again, making circles and lines, deep massage, M kind of shape at the top, and then just pulling down at the bottom, really getting in there and kneading. Think about, again, baking bread, making a pizza. We're gonna do this as often as we can while we're nice and clean for the next 2 weeks. But remember, if anything is painful, concerning, you're just not sure, be happy to reach out. We're here for you. Give us a call, and we're always here to help. Again, I'm Rosetta here at BeautyFix. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye!
Thank you.